while a lot of people are fearful about crisis situations like COVID came,
Yeah,
and now
yeah.
there's a war situation, and right now I mean, I'm hearing from a lot of people that there's war situation. So, do we keep ourselves invested? Do we
Yes.
take out the money? We are heading for a big
Correct.
trough or a downfall.
Yeah.
So, where do we go
So
from
if you
there?
look at if you look at the last 40 years of data, and both in debt and in equity markets have gone through these phases. Every 4-5 years you have
Yeah.
something or the other coming
Yeah.
up, right? Sometimes you have COVID, sometimes you have a global international financial crisis. You have situations where some of the largest companies are also kind of going down. And I think across all of these situations, and like a roller coaster ride, equity markets have given you
Yeah.
a 80x return over the last 40 years,
Yes.
which is almost a CAGR of 15% plus.
Right.
And that's why I said the idea is to keep investing for long term.
For long term,
So if you
yes.
think I'll invest today and remove tomorrow, then I'll say no, don't invest in
Right.
equities, then be scared and put it in debt. But anything beyond 3 years, there's a very, very low probability that you'll lose money or even make
Correct.
less than 8%. If you're investing in anything above 3 years time frame, that is going to definitely give you more than what you're going to get in debt. And that is exactly the reason why debt is going to give you a fixed return, because that is the minimum, right?
Right.
So you have to understand these dynamics. And I think for long term, across, you can look at whatever data you want. For long term equities, mutual funds specifically is one of the best ways, because again, equities, if you buy specific stocks, you
Yeah.
will have to regularly track it, you'll
Yes.
have to study the markets and look at those individual stocks to make sure that you're going in the right direction. But in case of mutual funds, experienced team of fund managers
Right.
is actually doing this work for you.